everyone, welcome to the Undown Design Hub. So today I'm starting something a little different and I'm going to share it with you. So after I'm leaving from the full-time corporate fashion design role, last few years I have been teaching one-time design and I have been working as a freelance fashion designer with different projects. So now I want to refresh myself, so I decided to give me a 30 days design challenge. So that 30 days I'm planning to develop a small fashion design collections, a clothing collection, starting from scratch to development, garment development, textile development, sketching, finding fabric, stitching. So all the steps including the purpose is to try out the market as well as to refresh myself. So throughout these 30 days, I'm trying to record each steps and share it with you so you can add your comments, your ideas, and you can see the whole process how I develop it from scratch to collections. There might be some success areas as well as it's experimenting with. So there might be some failures, but everything is going to be successful. So all the steps, so I'm planning to share it with you so that you also can get those learnings. So my failures you can fix, my success parts you can add into your things. So if you are a student or if you are someone who is interested in the fashion design and developing a brand, I think you can get some ideas throughout this process. So let's start and we'll see how it's going to work.